Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Mazda 3 MAXX Sedan, stock reference number 5747. The shape runs from the 11th month 2013 through to the 2nd month 2019. It is a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the left hand tail light, left tail boot lid garnish, boot lid has no damage, right hand boot lid garnish, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors and guard have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, command controls, heater controls, display screen, non-sat nav type, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor and the instrument cluster.